Hello everyone, Namaskar, welcome to Supergrad Stat by Top Rankers. And here I am with the supersets of today. Yes, so today in every session, obviously, we do a lot of new things. And in today's session also, I have planned few new concepts as well as new supersets, which will definitely help you ace the preparation of DILR and will also make you रिमाइंड ऑफ मी कि भाई आपको याद आएगी मेरी उस दिन जब आप एग्जाम लिख रहे होंगे सो विद दिस इम्पैक्ट आई हैव कम अप विद दिस सेक्शन वेयर आई वुड लाइक टू से कि भाई व्हाई टू बॉदर वाचिंग दिस सेशन हाय सिवत अमिका गुड इवनिंग because cat is approaching the second important thing is the speciality of these sessions is छोटी छोटी मगर मोटी बातें that are going to be way useful then you expect and will definitely save 10 plus minutes in a particular set. If you pay attention to these small details, then definitely you will be able to save 10 plus minutes in a particular set. And my advice is to skip this video and go on for an exploration, right? Where you will end up spending 20 hours figuring out these shortcuts. So, in order to figure out these shortcuts, you have to spend 20 plus hours on a particular topic. And I'm sure you don't have that much time. So the agenda for today's class is we will be understanding the importance of syllogisms because people tend to ignore it कि यार ये तो नहीं आता पेपर में तो क्यों इस चैप्टर को पहले से करना है आई विल डू इट व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्नैप एग्जामिनेशन या मेरा कैट एक बार हो जाएगा तब करेंगे नहीं यू हैव टू पे अटेंशन टू इट फर्स्ट थिंग एंड द सेकंड सेट is just a set where we will be solving blood relations. Again, blood relations. Why I bought blood relation topic here? Because again, people tend to skip this, but there can be a beautiful set created out of blood relations and can be asked by cat. Cat ने कभी deny नहीं किया कि मैं blood relation नहीं पूछूंगा. So they can ask you that too. So let's go through this set, and I'm giving you, let's say, 1 minute to go through this set and try if you can. So here is the set. Go through this and then try. And in the meantime, keep on sharing with your friends. Explore, keep on sharing until it reaches the person whosoever is appearing for cat. Keep on increasing the likes. Keep on increasing the views. Keep on sharing it with your friends. So the time is over. Let's quickly let's quickly read what is given in this set. Refer to the information below and answer the question that follows. Hip hop, classical, Sufi, pop, disco, jazz, folk, and techno are eight musical genres. Some information about them is given below. Sufi is a subset of classical and a superset of disco. Jazz is a subset of folk and a superset of techno. Pop is a subset of disco and a superset of jazz. Folk is a subset of hip hop and a superset of jazz. Pop is a subset of jazz. Also, N hip hop, N classical, N Sufi, N pop, N disco, N jazz, N folk, and N techno represents the number of rhythms in the respective sets, and no two sets are equal. They have already mentioned that none of the two sets can be equal. So here it comes the importance of syllogisms because when we solve syllogism, we understand ki how to create a superset, how to create a subset, how to divide the set into two exclusive sets, how to divide a universal sample space into mutually exclusive, into mutually exhaustive. So all these terms are associated with syllogisms. So if you have worked hard on the part of syllogism, such type of sets will be like वेरी इजी टू यू, वेरी इजी कि यार तुरंत बस मैं ड्रॉ करना शुरू कर दूंगा जैसे ही मैं ये सारे वर्ड्स पढ़ूंगा. सो यस, शिवातमिका, इट इज from set theory also. You can call it from set theory, you can call it from Venn diagrams, you can call it from your syllogisms. Mainly the concepts of syllogisms are applied over here. Let's look at it. Hip hop, classical, Sufi, disco, jazz, techno are eight musical genres. Some information about them is given below. Sufi is a subset of classical and a superset of disco. So this is your Sufi. This is your Sufi. So Sufi is a subset of classical. Subset means it will fall under classical, and a superset of disco. So it's a superset of disco. So this is disco. Next. Jazz is a subset of folk and a superset of techno. Jazz is a subset of folk. This is folk. This is jazz. And a superset of techno. This is techno. Okay. But I cannot relate these two, so I have made it separately. If I get a chance, I will try to relate them. Got it? Next. Hip hop is a subset of disco. Hip hop is a subset of disco. So I'm making hip hop over here because I can relate it. Hip hop. Next. And a superset of jazz. So jazz will come inside it. And inside jazz, I need techno. So I will make all these things again because I have just not utilized the space very carefully. So for such type of questions, you just go through this. There are eight circles to be made. So make the diagram accordingly. The first learning is make the diagram accordingly, utilize the space properly. So Sufi is a subset of classical. So I will make Sufi as big so that I can make eight sets inside. There is a possibility of making four to five sets inside. Is a subset of classical. So I will use different color for you guys in the examination. Obviously, we will not have the options, but right now I can make. So Sufi is a subset of classical. So this is classical, mark it. This is Sufi and a superset of disco. So I will mark disco over here. Jazz is a subset of folk, and with the next line, I know hip hop is a subset of disco. So I will make hip hop. This is hip hop is a subset of disco and a superset of jazz. तो इसके अंदर jazz बनाऊंगा मैं. This is jazz. Now jazz is a subset of folk. So I don't know folk कहाँ आएगा. Folk सबके ऊपर भी आ सकता है, कहीं भी आ सकता है. तो ये वाली लाइन में साइड में लिख के रख लूंगा कि jazz is a subset of folk. This is folk and this is jazz. But techno and a superset of techno. तो इसके अंदर क्या आएगा? Techno आएगा. Techno. Okay. Now, folk is a subset of hip hop. अब कंफर्म हो गया कि folk जो है वो सबसेट है किसका? हिप हॉप का. तो folk मैं अलग कलर से यहां बना रहा हूं. तो दिस इज folk. आई एम राइटिंग F on this green color. This is folk. So folk is a subset of hip hop and a superset of jazz. इसका मतलब जैज के बाहर और हिप हॉप के अंदर होगा. इट विल बी इनसाइड हिप हॉप एंड आउटसाइड जैज. Now, pop is a subset of jazz. So, pop is a subset of jazz. So, pop can come anywhere. So, I'm making it in green color. Pop can come over techno. Pop can come inside techno. Green color indicates pop. Also, N hip hop, N classical, N Sufi represent the number. N means cardinality of a set, the number of elements inside a set. So, which is already given. Now, let's look at the question. Which of the following statements could be true? So, this is as simple as जस्ट लाइक दैट, मतलब यार तुरंत क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो रहा है. यू हैव टू जस्ट गो थ्रू दी लाइंस, you have to just draw the diagram, and then you can automatically solve the questions. The follow-up questions are very easy. They are just asking you which of the following statement could be true. Pop is a superset of jazz. So if I look at it, pop is a superset or a subset. So the first statement is false because pop lies inside jazz. So this is wrong. Next, pop is a superset of folk. हो ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि jazz जो है वो folk के अंदर है. You know, jazz is less than folk and pop is less than jazz. This is what I know. So this is also not true. Then pop is a superset of techno. Could be true, पूछा है. They are not asking definitely true, and this is possibly true because pop can be less than techno as per the diagram or can be more than techno. So both the possibilities are there. So is this a possibility? Yes, this is a possibility. So the answer is C, Calcutta. Pop is a superset of hip hop. No, pop is a subset of hip hop, beta. This is hip hop. Purple is hip hop, and this green is pop. So hip hop का subset है, superset नहीं है. Got this? Anyone, any issues? And keep on sharing with your friends. कीप ऑन शेयरिंग विद द पीपल कि भाई सुपर ग्रेड्स की यूट्यूब वाली कक्षा चल रही है जहां पे लाइव क्लास में मिलती है एक्चुअल क्लासरूम की फील, जहां पे लाइव क्लास में यू कैन गेट योर डाउट्स रिजॉल्व, यू कैन गेट द थिंग्स डन, यू कैन आस्क द टीचर टू रीडू ऑल द सॉल्यूशंस. इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉपर लेक्चर कि इतना कंटेंट ही डिलीवर करना है. इट्स अबाउट कि अगर आपको रिक्वायरमेंट है तो वी विल रिपीट, वी विल help you understand the nitty-gritties and we will resolve for you. So this is the actual classroom going on. Keep on spreading, keep on sharing with your friends. Next, which of the following options is neither definitely true nor definitely false? ना तो true है ना false है. So let's look at it. How many circles? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. So I have to draw nine circles. I will draw nine circles and then I will solve this. So if I have to draw nine circles, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, and nine. And now let me write all the names in that particular order. Classical, Sufi, disco, hip hop, jazz. या फिर सर्कल की जरूरत नहीं, हम इसको ग्रेटर देन लेस देन से भी कर सकते हैं. क्लासिकल, सूफी, hip hop. Let me recheck. What was the order? Classical, Sufi, disco, hip hop, jazz. Classical, Sufi, disco, hip hop, and then jazz. Jazz के बाद jazz. Jazz के पहले folk, folk, jazz, techno. Folk and then jazz and then techno. Now pop can come here and pop can come here. So let's look at the options. Which of the following is neither definitely true? They are asking neither definitely true nor definitely. There are eight elements. Pop के लिए we made two diagrams. No, either outside techno or inside techno. That is why there were nine circles. Got it? ठीक है. So n jazz is greater than n hip hop. False. देख के पता चल रहा है क्योंकि इन्होंने ये साइन यूज किया. That is why I utilize this sign. N classical is the greatest. This is true. This is false. This is true. They are asking neither true nor false. मतलब they are asking for a neither true nor false. मतलब they are asking for a possibility, getting it or not, possibility. So they are asking for a possibility, right? Hi Aditi, good evening. Need a clarity. I am working full time and getting salary while being in the last semester. Will it be considered as the work experience? No. Work experience starts from the day you complete your graduation or post graduation, whatever you are doing. So they also mention it clearly in the forms as well. The work experience will start from the last day of the college. There should not be any overlapping. Okay. Next, N folk is less than N disco. N folk is less than N disco. This is also true. So I don't need true, I don't need false. Hence the answer is D Delhi. The answer is D Delhi. N techno is the lowest. So techno can be the least, cannot be the least. So it is neither definitely false nor definitely true. So this is a very good practice of the language, very clear practice of the language, very clearly understanding what are sets, what are supersets, very clearly understanding what is n. N means number of elements in a particular set. Got it? Clear? Next. So this is your homework question. You have to put it in the comment box. This is your homework question. I have made the solution in both ways, either by using the circles or by using the greater than or less than sign. So you just go ahead with this set while you are solving it, while you are revising it again, and then put it in the comment box. What is the answer? Everyone. Got it? Let's proceed. Which of the following is definitely false? Which of the following is definitely false? This question is again your homework question because I have written both these solutions and you can definitely go through the previous part of the video. You can make it in the notes and then can answer this. This is again a very easy question and I need comments from all of you in the form of this answer. Got it? Clear? Eh? And in the meantime, guys, keep on sharing with your friends before we start with a new set. So, this is another important topic which people feel like not practicing. Why? Because they are over smart. They think that it is not asked directly in CAT. So, why to bother about this? So, if you are thinking so, then uh, you are in the gray region, भाई. दिक्कत हो जाएगी बाद में पता चला एक पूरा सेट ब्लड रिलेशन को क्लब करके अरेंजमेंट के ऊपर आ गया सो फॉर दिस सेट यू कैन गो थ्रू दिस सेट here I am giving you 2 minutes to solve this set. Just go through this set. I'm not giving you time to solve, just try and attempt it. And in the meantime, keep on sharing, keep on liking, keep on spreading the word until it reaches the last person on the earth whosoever is targeting CAT 2025. Because here, this class is beyond PYQs. This class is the will deliver you the things which are required in the examination. So if you are doing so, then obviously you will get द बेनिफिट ऑफ द कर्मा सो दूसरे लोगों को इन्फॉर्म करो जो लोग भी खुद से तैयारी कर रहे हैं उनके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाला है ये ठीक so I have given you 2 minutes almost half time is over did you get it how to proceed very good clear Priya you're left with only 10 seconds Okay, so let's solve this question. But before solving, we will go through the follow-up questions that are being asked. Then only we will do the desired manner. भाई कितनी मेहनत required है इस question के लिए? वो करने से पहले we will look at the follow-up questions. The first question is how is B related to A? It means I need to decide B or A. Who among them is geriatrician? Four of the following are alike in a certain way, hence form a group. Find the one which does not belong to that group. It means मुझे सब कुछ ही पता होना चाहिए जो questions हैं. So let's aim to solve the things in a very structured manner. How do we solve blood relations? So, in order to understand that part, first of all, let us understand the basic nitty-gritties of the blood relation. First of all, you should identify the gender. You should have gender specific symbols. You should be able to identify by the name itself that this is a man and this is a woman. So I use triangle for males and circle for females. These are my marks. People tend to use circle and triangle. People tend to use triangle and square. People tend to use square and circle. People tend to use plus and minus. Your call. Next. First is gender specific thing. Second is relation in the same generation. Relation in the same generation. So here I use equal to sign for spouses. शादीशुदा जिंदगी में भाई इक्वालिटी होनी चाहिए तो स्पाउस के लिए आई एम यूजिंग इक्वल टू साइन फॉर स्पाउसेस आई एम यूजिंग इक्वल टू साइन फॉर सिबलिंग्स आई यूज माइनस साइन फॉर सिबलिंग्स आई यूज माइनस साइन फॉर कजिन्स आई डोंट यूज एनीथिंग आई यूज नथिंग मतलब जस्ट ब्लैंक नो सिंबल एंड फॉर brother in law or sister in law or sister in law because these are the relations which might create if I'm writing A then B then C then D, so you know they are from the same generation but who is whom of whose, है ना, कौन किसका क्या है भाई नहीं पता चल रहा तो उसके लिए आई यूज माइनस फॉलोड बाय इक्वल टू या फिर इक्वल टू फॉलोड बाय माइनस साइन. अगर ये दोनों साइन कॉन्सिक्यूटिवली आ रहे हैं इसका मतलब आपका ब्रदर इन लॉ या सिस्टर इन लॉ है. ठीक है. So these are the basic hygiene factors we need to take care while we are solving a blood relation ka puzzle. One is you should have gender specific symbols. Second is you should be aware among the various relations given in a particular situation. What all relations are given in a particular situation, you should be aware about them. Got it? Clear hai? So here what they have given, eight persons, A to H are members of a family. Each one of the family is a specialist doctor among orthopedists, orthodontists, cardiologists, neurologists, psychiatrists, dermatologists, geriatrician, and pediatrician, but not necessarily in the same order. So I have to fix person, I have to fix a profession, and I have to decide the blood relationship among the different persons. So it's a kind of distribution table where you have to decide the place of a person as per the family tree, and you have to put in the you have to put in what? You have to put in the profession as well. Getting it or not, everyone? Okay, fine. Those who are watching, just hit like, everyone, and just share it with your friends whosoever are targeting CAT 2025. There is no widow or widower in the family. So they have clarified there cannot be a single parent to the given set of children because single parent means either he is a widow, he is a widower or she is a widow. तो वो वाला concept यहाँ पे नहीं है. The following information is known about them. Psychiatrist is the niece of G, who is neither orthopedist nor dermatologist and has only one sibling. So psychiatrist is the niece of G. So अगर niece बनना है, so this is G. हमें नहीं पता ये मेल है या फीमेल है तो ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे. इसका नीस अगर बनना है तो इसका ब्रदर या सिस्टर कोई होगा, उसका सन या डॉटर नीस बनेगा। नीस मतलब फीमेल। सो दिस इज साइकैट्रिस्ट। ये सबको समझ में आया? दिस पर्सन इज साइकैट्रिस्ट। गॉट इट? साइकैट्रिस्ट इज द नीस ऑफ जी। सो दिस इज जी। जी का सिबलिंग माइनस साइन से शो कर दिया, और उसका बच्चा जो है वो साइकाइट्रिस्ट होगा। इनफैक्ट बच्ची, क्योंकि नीस दिया हुआ है, नीस मींस फीमेल, हु इज नीदर ऑर्थोपेडिस्ट नॉर डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट। तो यहाँ पे हु किसके ऊपर लगा हुआ है? जी के ऊपर। तो जी अपना ऑर्थोपेडिस्ट नहीं हो सकता, ना ही डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट हो सकता। ना तो ऑर्थोपेडिस्ट है ना डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट है। ओके। एंड हैज ओनली वन सिबलिंग। जी का और कोई सिबलिंग नहीं है। मतलब ये जो बंदा या बंदी है, इसने शादी की होगी, तभी दे विल हैव अ सन और अ डॉटर। क्योंकि यहाँ पे सिंगल पेरेंट का हम कॉन्सेप्ट यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज दे हैव गिवन देयर इज नो विडो और विडोअर इन दी फैमिली। सो हाउ मेनी पीपल आर हैव बीन मार्क्ड इन दिस ट्री? 1 2 3 4। चार लोग मार्क कर लिए, टोटल लोग कितने? 8 लोग। तो पहले तो प्लेसेस ही आइडेंटिफाई करना एक टास्क होता है व्हेन इट कम्स टू दी पजल्स इन ब्लड रिलेशन। नेक्स्ट। एंड हैज ओनली वन सिबलिंग, यहां तक हमने सॉल्व कर लिया। नीदर बी नॉर ई इज अ साइकैट्रिस्ट। तो यहां पे बी नहीं हो सकता, यहां पे ई नहीं हो सकता। नीदर बी नॉर ई इज अ साइकैट्रिस्ट। ओके। Either C or A is an orthodontist and married to dermatologist. Either C or A is an orthodontist. तो यहां पे साइड में मैं लिख लेता हूं कि C या A ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट है, ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट, एंड इज मैरिड टू डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट। इसकी शादी किससे हुई है? डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट से। डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट को मैं डीएम से लिख रहा हूं। ठीक है। एफ एंड साइकेट्रिस्ट आर कजिन। अगर एफ और साइकेट्रिस्ट को कजिन बनना है तो यहां पे जी की संतान का नाम एफ होगा, एंड दे आर कजिन। इट मींस जी शुड गेट मैरिड टू समवन। सो हाउ मेनी पीपल आर मार्क्ड नाउ? 6 people आर मार्क्ड। लेट्स प्रोसीड। डी इज द मदर ऑफ एच, हु इज द आंट ऑफ न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट। डी इज द मदर ऑफ एच। डी इज द मदर ऑफ एच, हु इज द आंट। तो यहाँ पे आंट कहां बन सकते हैं? जहां पे सिबलिंग्स है वहीं पे आंट हो सकते हैं, यहीं पे आंट हो सकता है। अब डी इज द आंट ऑफ, डी इज द, व्हाट दे हैव गिवन, डी इज द मदर ऑफ एच, हु इज द आंट ऑफ न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट। अब साइकेट्रिस्ट की अगर आंट होती तो इस साइड होती, अगर न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट की आंट है तो एफ क्या बन गया आपका? न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट। So D is the mother of H, who is the aunt of neurologist. So अगर ये न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट है तो इसकी आंट कौन है? H। और H की मदर कौन है? D। तो D is a female। अगर ये फीमेल है तो should get married to a male, and hence they will have 2 children. Now how many people are marked? 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8, hence the family is complete. We have identified all the 8 positions. This was the first task, identifying all the 8 positions, or identifying all the members, where will they be placed. Got it or not? Now H is the aunt. Aunt means female, means this person is a male. Got it? F ka gender, I don't know, but he is a neurologist. So what they are giving now, what they are saying, D is the mother of H and D is the mother of H, who is the aunt of neurologist. बिल्कुल यहाँ तक यूज कर लिया. Neither A nor E is a female. So neither A, so A is a male, E is also a male. So A भी मेल है आपका, E भी मेल है. Okay. Pediatrician is the father of G. If G has a father, his profession is pediatrician. So E is pediatrics. ठीक है. Is a pediatrician is the father of G and is married to D. तो ऑटोमेटिकली देखिए pediatrician की शादी किससे हुई है? D से हुई है. This we have already justified. Orthopedist is married to cardiologist. Orthopedist is married to cardiologist. See, now orthopedist is married to cardiologist. Since I need orthopedist and cardiologist both the spaces, so it can be fitted here or here. Now, if I fit orthodontist here, then this will be dermatologist. Then this can be orthopedist and this can be cardiologist. This is a possibility. Or I can say, if this is orthopedist, then this can be cardiologist. This is a possibility. So there are multiple possibilities. Let's see. G got married but not to B. So here B cannot come. If B cannot come here, B cannot come here, B cannot come here. So B can come either here or here. B can come at these two positions. A and E are male, so A cannot come here because this is a female position. So A can come here or here. Now, what they have given one more information that either C or A is a orthodontist. So C or A will come here. Either C or A will come here. If C or A will come here, here I will put orthodontist. Here I will put orthodontist. और मैं जैसे ही यहाँ पे ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट रखूंगा तो यहाँ पे क्या रखना पड़ेगा मुझे डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल getting it or not if I need a space for C or A I can put it over here only if I put C or A over here then this person has to become what dermatologist this person has to become dermatologist if this person becomes dermatologist which has already been told that G cannot be a dermatologist it means these two persons can be here so this can either be C or be A and can be a orthodontist. And this person is going to be a dermatologist. Now, obviously, if this person is not orthopedist, then this person can be what? Cardiologist. And this person is going to be what? Orthopedist. Orthopedist. So the profession of this person is decided, this person is decided, this is decided, this is decided, this is decided, and this is decided. The only profession left is geriatrician. So this person is geriatrist. Got it? Clear है? F and psychiatrists are cousins now, so they are cousins. There is no symbol between F and psychiatrist. Okay. Now, if this can be either C or A, okay. So the B cannot be here. If B cannot come here, C or A. Now I have to decide the other positions as well. B cannot come here. So B cannot come here. So what all alphabets are left? F, A, B, C. So C can come here. Then D is the mother of H, who is the aunt of neurologist. Neither A nor E is a female. A and E cannot be a female. Okay. So A and E are going to be the males. Neither B nor E is a psychiatrist. So A, B, E nahi aa sakta. So let's fix this person first. A, B, C मुझे नहीं पता यहाँ आ सकता है नहीं आ सकता तो सी एक पॉसिबिलिटी है देन डी देन ई नहीं आ सकता देन एफ जी एच तो भाई यहाँ पे तो सी पक्का पक्का आएगा ये कंफर्म होगा गॉट इट और नॉट हाउ डू वी फिक्स सी इज दैट क्लियर टू एवरीवन हाउ आर वी फिक्सिंग सी इज दैट क्लियर टू एवरीवन टेल मी yes or no all of you getting it अरे क्विकली टेल मी देखो यहाँ पे मैंने अल्फाबेट चेक किए ए नहीं हो सकता बी नहीं हो सकता सी हो सकता है सी मैंने साइड में लिख लिया देन डी नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि यहाँ है देन ई नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि ये फीमेल है लिखा हुआ है एफ यहाँ पर है जी यहाँ पर है एच यहाँ पर है तो बचा कौन अल्फाबेट में ओनली सी सो सी कम्स हियर सो सी गॉट फिक्स अब सी और ए में से अगर सी यहाँ है तो यहाँ पे कौन आएगा द ओनली पर्सन लेफ्ट इज ए बिकॉज ईदर सी और ए कैन बी ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट सो दिस इज ए if this is A, so B cannot come here. So the only position where B can come is this. So which alphabet is left? A, B, C, D, E. So E is this person. Since E is a male, so G becomes a female. because A or E cannot be females. A and E are males. Got this thing? Clear hai? Everyone, is that clear? And this is the final table. Anybody want me to repeat it? I will. Just go through this, let it sink in, let it settle. And all those who are watching, just keep on spreading it to your friends, keep on sharing it with your friends. And also keep on liking the video. If you're liking it, if you're enjoying it, if you're getting the actual classroom feel, then definitely like it. And for the actual classroom feel, you have to just ask me doubts. You have to just tell me कि सर ये नहीं समझ में आया बता दो सर ये वाली चीज रिपीट कर दो ये वाली प्रॉब्लम हो रही है आप समझा दो so I'm going to repeat that. I'm going to solve that. Getting it or not? So, is that clear? Clear to everyone? Everything? Tell me yes or no. Everyone getting this? Tell me quickly. So, let's proceed to the question. Shall we proceed to the question? How to memorize these symbols? Beta, you should make your own symbols. Just make your own symbols. I will just take that board. You can just take the screenshot, pause the video, and just memorize. Triangle means male, circle means female, spouse means equal to. जो भी तुम्हें बनाने तुम अपने symbols बना सकते हो. It is not necessary to memorize my symbols. Got it? Clear है? You can also go back to the video. You can revisit the video and watch all the symbols which I have explained. And for detail, if you want a detailed class on blood relations, you can definitely post it in the comment box. We will do it. Go ahead with it. Gender of F is not yet determined. Gender of F is not determined with the given information. F can be a female, F can be a male. नहीं पता चलेगा. Manju, not specifically OMEDs. I'm telling that is why I took this session today. I took both the topics which are not from CAT, but they are important in CAT. See, CAT का मूड कभी भी खराब हो सकता है. एक पजल जिसमें ब्लड रिलेशन का बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग ओरिएंटेशन है वो आपको दे सकते हैं पेपर में तो आपको वो समझ में आना चाहिए उसके लिए ब्लड रिलेशन की भी प्रैक्टिस करनी है सिलोलिज्म्स की भी प्रैक्टिस करनी है लोग क्या करते हैं सिलॉक्स नहीं करते ब्लड रिलेशन नहीं करते सोचते हैं हम बाद में कर लेंगे जब अपना स्नैप आएगा तब करेंगे जब अपना और कोई एग्जाम होगा सीमैट होगा तब करेंगे या एनमैट होगा तब करेंगे भाई ऐसे सोच के नहीं चलना है यू हैव टू डू all these topics beforehand and before CAT. This is the right time to do this before September. August is the right time to be well versed with all the topics related to your other management entrance examinations. Why so? Because any of these topics like calendar, which is considered as a topic of OMEDs, comes in CAT at times, and there can be a puzzle formed on the same topic. So if you are not well versed with the topic calendar, you will not be able to comprehend the things given in that particular set. There are so many nitty-gritties involved while calculating odd days, while calculating leap year, the effect of leap day, and everything, so on and so forth. Similar is the case with blood relations. If you are not well versed with usage of all these tools which I have mentioned, these are the tools. The symbols we are using are the tools, serves as a tool. If I'm not well prepared which tool to use, I will randomly solve it as a puzzle. And if I'm solving it randomly as a puzzle, I will end up creating mistakes, end up getting confused. So इसलिए ये topic करना जरूरी है. Similar is the case with the previous topic that I have taken, syllogisms. If I'm not aware about what do we mean when we say exclusive, what do we mean when we say exhaustive, what do we mean when we say inclusive, what does overlapping means, what other things means, तो अगर हम ये सब कुछ नहीं comprehend कर पा रहे हैं किसी particular set में तो हम डायग्राम्स नहीं बना पाएंगे प्रॉपरली क्योंकि वेन डायग्राम में नाउ दे हैव इन्वेंटेड अ न्यू वैरायटी वेयर देयर इज हार्डकोर यूसेज ऑफ प्रॉपर सिलोलिज्म्स अगर सिलॉक्स क्लियर नहीं है तो आप डायग्राम ही नहीं बना पाओगे एंड यू विल कीप ऑन थिंकिंग कि यार डायग्राम तो नहीं बन रहा मैं इक्वेशन से सॉल्व कर लेता हूं पर पूरा खेल वहां पे डायग्राम का होगा क्योंकि अगर इक्वेशन से जाओगे तो यू विल गेट अननेसेसरी वेरिएबल बट इफ यू आर सॉर्टेड विद द लैंग्वेज ऑफ सिलोलिज्म्स you understand the nitty-gritties of set formation, you understand the nitty-gritties of overlapping, exclusiveness, and all such things, then definitely you will make a proper diagram which will automatically eliminate most of the irrelevant or the redundant variables, and you will it will be a very easy sail through. Got it? क्लियर है? कोई दिक्कत किसी को भी? Next. So how is B related to A? How is B related to A? So this man is the husband of this lady, and this lady's father is B. So how is B related to A? B is the B is the father-in-law of A. Got it or not? Spouse's father is known as the father-in-law. स्पाउस के फादर को क्या बोलते हैं हम? फादर इन लॉ बोलते हैं. क्लियर है? कोई दिक्कत किसी को भी? अरे हाउ इज बी रिलेटेड? किसको रिलेट कर रहे हैं? बी को रिलेट कर रहे हैं. हाउ इज बी रिलेटेड टू ए? सो बी हैज गॉट अ डॉटर एच एंड द हस्बैंड इज ए. सो बी विल बी कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? नॉट दी सन इन लॉ. उल्टा नहीं, ए के बारे में नहीं पूछा. दे आर आस्किंग whom they are referring to. B with respect to A. So B is father-in-law with respect to A. Got it? Next question. Who among the following is geriatrician? We have already decided who. Answer is D. Delhi. Any problem? Anyone? Any issues in this? Getting it? Next. Four of the following are alike in a certain way and hence form a group. Find the one which does not belong to that group. So the groups can be formed on the basis of what? Gender only. So H is a female. So H is a female. C is a female. D D is a female. So now you got the answer. D is also a female and B is a male. B is the husband of D, right? B is the husband of D. So B is a male. So who does not belong to that group? Answer is B, Bombay. Got it? Clear है? सबको सब कुछ समझ में आया? So we have done two more sets and these small steps matter. जिन लोगों ने पुराने वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं, पुराने जो भी सुपर सेट्स के सेशंस हुए हैं अभी तक, we are on 23rd session, so 22 sessions has already been conducted, means 44 sets are already done. So if you have not done that, just consume it in bits and pieces. रोज एक पैरेलल, एक लेक्चर अभी देखा और एक पुराना वीडियो जाके देख लिया. सो उससे आपको दो दो सेट रोज मिलते जाएंगे ना. एंड वंस यू आर डन विथ दीज 100 सेट्स, वी आर टारगेटिंग अ सेंचुरी ऑफ सुपर सेट्स. सो वंस यू आर डन विथ दीज 100 सेट्स, नो यू विल बी लाइक कि भाई कोई सा भी क्वेश्चन ले आओ, मेरे से 2.5 से लेके 3 तक सेट सॉल्व हो जाते हैं एग्जाम में. ये कॉन्फिडेंस आपका डेवलप हो जाएगा. So if you are solving it with super grade since the beginning, it is perfectly fine. There is no link of the upcoming lectures to the previous lectures because supersets has got individual reading, individual learnings and individual knowledge. So with the coming sessions, you follow the upcoming videos. Don't miss the coming videos on supersets. But if you have not watched the previous one, make sure you are watching them regularly and completing this syllabus. Once you are done with these 100 supersets now, you will be like, you will have a mind-blowing capability of rejecting and selecting, first thing, and the second is solving the puzzles. So for uh, this much confidence, you need to watch all these sessions. And before I go, I leave, I just like to inform you that we are coming up with CAT focus hours. You will have 5 workshops in each subject just at a very small token, at a very small cost, with all the experts of CAT industry. And the workshops are structured in a manner where you will have basics, you will have practice, and you will have PYQs. So those who have not yet subscribed, not yet purchased this, go ahead and purchase the workshops. Okay? Very nominal cost. less than your pizza order. So you can go ahead just to get the gist of revision of all the topics. You can go ahead with these 15 sessions, which are going to add plus level of understanding of your topics. And then next thing is, if you feel like those who wish to start their preparation and if you feel like it's too late, no, it is never too late. If you're starting right away, Super Grades is here with the fast track batches, which will provide you 10 classes per week and a workshop, which means your syllabus will be completed not just once, not just twice, but three times over, even at this point of time. Even at this point of time, your syllabus will be completed thrice. So, if you wish to join, if you are looking for a classroom program where everything is completed, everything is taken care of, and every concept is reinforced, then definitely Supergrades is the right place to join in, and where to get all the details, where to connect with the faculties, where to connect with the trainers, where to get the mentorship. For all such things, you can join us on Telegram channel, Instagram channel, YouTube, and TR Management community. You can follow us on all these things. Okay. Hi, Shiva Tamika, what happened? Why are you laughing? जल्दी से बताओ मुझे भी हंसना है. And then we will say bye. Hello, 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 hello. चलो, bye bye. See you tomorrow at the same time in the same class. Okay? Right. Pizza pause.